Welcome. It's our Shumatt channel. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today, I would like to share with you some information about our fuel injector. This one. Then let's take a look. It's not a wet box, and here this is the label. The quantities one side each piece. The product code is 0445110 The logo, the label, the packaging details, etc. We supply customized service. In the inside, we have two layers. The first layer, as you can see, can be better avoid some damages during the translation. And the second layer, it is VCI anti-rust bag. And then it's our injector. For this injector, it has high quality because each items before we send to our customers will make this 3 times commercial test and also will make many times checking for the product. After that, we'll send out a good after-sales service like with Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange it for you. Then let's check it. This is a protection cover. The plug. In this position, generally, in the inside, it has triangle valve. Oil goes through from this position and come out from this side. Injector nozzle. For the spare parts like the injector nozzle, the control valve, solenoid valve, generally we use By the Schumatt, green power, etc. If you want higher quality, we can use original Bosch brand. Okay, so much for this injector. Actually, we have other products like the pumps, the nozzle, the injector, etc. If you want to know about other information about the product, you can send comments to Caitlin, and I will help you to check it. Also, you can download our checkbook app to search more information. So much for today. At last, if you are not follow us, please follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us waiting for your news. So much for today. Thank you. See you next time.